Hello my love, Sundown here coming at you with another video. And if you want to know how I got this, milfing at the PTA meeting type of look, then make sure you keep on watching, okay? I'm not going to talk you to death through this entire video, but I am going to leave all of the products that I left in my Amazon store with the link below. If you guys want me to do like more detailed videos with my makeup, with me like slowly showing you what I do step by step, then make sure you leave that in the comments below. I want us to talk more because the more we talk, girl, the more I know what you want. But really quick, I do want to talk about these eyebrows. Now, y'all know that I don't want to, be coming off on nobody wrong, but we're gonna do stuff straight, no chaser here on my channel with everything. If y'all do not stop with them SpongeBob SquarePants eyebrows, I'ma pass smooth on out, okay? The whole purpose of you filling your eyebrows in is to make them look more defined and things like that, but you still want it to look like there's actual hair growing, out of there. Nobody's hair grows like SpongeBob's, except for SpongeBob. His hair grows like that, maybe, but yours not so much. So I am making sure that I go ahead through and not edit that part out, and I'm making sure that I comb everything out so it looks like hair strokes. Now, I'm using BH Cosmetics through most of this video. As you can see, my palettes look like they've been through the ringer because as I was moving everything from my studio, I left some stuff in the car and some stuff melted, but whatever, okay? So now I'm just going through and touching these brows up a little bit. I'm actually going to do a video, if you guys want to see it, on how to make your brows look like they've been arched perfectly, even when they looking dusty and you got a whole bunch of extra little hairs. If you guys want to see that, then make sure, once again, you leave that in the comments below, okay? So yes, like I said, I'm using a lighter color than my skin for the concealer because you want to create really harsh, sharp lines, okay? That's how we're gonna make the arch look perfect. Now, if you are not used to doing this, I recommend using a lighter shade for under the brow and then a darker one for on top. But really quick, let's get into this. Now, don't know if you guys have noticed here on the screen, but we have merch now, you guys. So I have this here, this Hey Girl Bye Girl shirt. The front says Hey Girl, the back says Bye Girl, and then I have a full-fledged affirmation collection where I believe that it is so important for us to speak things that we want out into existence, and what better way to remember to speak things out than to have it as a phone case or as a shirt or leggings and things of that nature. So you guys, make sure you check that out as you're watching my videos. Any video, at the bottom you're gonna see like a whole bunch of different merch that's popping up. You guys, make sure you check it out. It helps my channel grow so much, and it helps me to make sure that I am creating beautiful, wonderful content that you guys want to see, okay? So I love you guys so much, and thank you in advance for the amazing support. I love you guys so much because so many of you have already ordered shirts, and I just can't. I love you guys. But that is enough with me talking you to death about the merch. Last thing, if you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed to my website, sinsmith.guru. All of this information is going to be left in the description box below, but make sure, see my palette, it looks so dusty. Make sure that you are subscribed to my website, and that way not only are you going to get a whole bunch of free stuff from me, but the algorithm sometimes here on YouTube is fooling with us a little bit. So even if you don't get the notification here on YouTube, if you are subscribed to my website, you will get a notification there every time I post a video. And I'm actually going to be sending out my subscribers a new posting schedule each week. So if you're a subscriber to my website, you'll get in advance of what's going to be coming for the week. Girl, yes, we're getting saucy around here. I love you guys so much. If you've not done so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. And when you subscribe, say it with me, click that bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my website. I love you guys so much. Make sure when this video goes off, you leave me a comment below and let me know exactly what you think about this book. And until my next video, bye girl.
On my mind, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Hey. Love's too deep. Love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night and I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Deep, you know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything you want. Everything you